So this is a very brief video to describe the job of the web developer and video editor at Areton Limited. So in this video we're going to guide you through what is required, what you've got to do. First of all, the work is from Monday till Saturday, 8 hours a week or hours a day or more. You must be on call. Available call from when you start to when you finish. And so again, you have to sign in, send a message using either WhatsApp or WeChat, and send the report for the end of the day, specifying what you've accomplished during the day. So it's gonna be by the end of every day, some accomplishable, something you have actually physically accomplished for the company, and that is a must. So one of the duties you have to basically the bread and butter of our business is video editing, because we've got loads of videos that we're producing every day in various parts of the business, and we have to edit them. So that you've got to be proficient in Sony Vegas editing. It's preferable to use Sony Vegas because we're quite used to that. So if you're not, you better get used to it really quickly. Number 2 is WordPress website development and content development on our websites. And website development, we've got a number of websites to develop, and you're going to work on one website at a time. So so you're going to be given your login and username and so on. The other thing that you have to do is maintenance of the websites, and that's done using GoDaddy. So look, I'm just going to go into GoDaddy. No, it's not there. No, it's not there either. Daddy. It's going to go into GoDaddy. It's going to take a while. So I'm going to stop. So we've got here, I'm already logged in. So when you start you working with us, you're going to be given a access to our to GoDaddy and cPanel, and that's done through delegate access. So what we're going to do is giving you a username. Okay, I'm just going to sign in. We're going to give you delegate access. In this case, there's a technical one who's got delegate access. And then when you get your email, the automated email is going to ask you for your login details and password. So in order to obtain that, if you're not sure, you must call GoDaddy, and they're going to, if they're not helping you with that, they're going to help you after a number of attempts, because their customer service is a bit sketchy. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Sometimes they don't even know what they're talking about themselves, so it happened a number of times. So that's your responsibility to get your own username and password. Is something that we cannot give you. We give you delegate access, but you've got to create your own username and password. If you're not sure about how to do it, just do it. Just call them, and it's your responsibility. Something else I'd like to say about this job. So we don't value much skills as much. We value more attitude, your proficiency in English. So number 1, attitude, what your attitude is like, and your proficiency in English, because attitude is everything. If you've got some skills but you don't have the right attitude, you're not going to last. And if you've got the right attitude and you don't have enough skills, very likely you're going to get the skills that are required. The other things to bear in mind with this job is that we required exclusive use of your time. You can only work for us, and that is it. you cannot actually work for other people during the same time that you're working for us or after your working hours. This is because human beings become more effective over a long period of time, and then if you're working on other stuff, on other things for other people, then you're not going to be able to actually become as proficient in what you have to do in the long run. So it's a must that we've got your complete focus attention. You don't work for anyone else, and then if you actually do, it's a matter of time. It's not going to take us long for us to realize it, and then you're terminated. We cannot actually carry on with your post. So again, if you've got any questions, you can actually reach me whenever I'm available, because I'm not always available. But you have to deliver results daily, either new content, new videos. We're going to challenge you having you to do many different stuff, and so on. There's many parts of the business, especially at the moment, because we're still a small organization. So at the moment, we require you to do many different things. So that's an overview of the job. And then if you have any questions, please let us know.